Hello everyone, my name is Stacy Ann. I live in Queens, New York. I work for a social services organization as a care manager. I provide services to the developmentally disabled. I serve as an advocate in ensuring that they receive all the services that they're entitled to. Services such as their respite, their community hub, making sure that all their benefits are up to date and active. Benefits such as their SSI, their Medicaid, and just staying on top of referrals and stuff like that for them to ensure that all evaluations are up to date. I also do their in-home assessments, their ISP meetings. I attend the IEP meetings in the schools. I meet with the parents, to discuss, whatever services that they need or that they're asking for. I try my best to ensure that all my clients are given the services in a timely fashion. I have a strong passion for people, and that is why I decided to resign my job as a medical biller for over 17 years in 2016, because I felt like that's not where I belong. Even though I was working with people, I felt like it was more like an indirect interaction, and I wasn't really achieving what I wanted to. So that is why I chose the field of social work. I have my undergraduate in public health, but I chose social work because I want to continue to help people in whatever way I can. And just to see people, just to put a smile on anybody's face, it makes a big world of difference for me. Just to hear a client say, you know what, you have done something for me that no one else has done, makes me feel like I am making a difference in somebody else's life. I chose Wedener to complete my MSW because Wedener was one of the few universities that offer a MSW program from start to finish online. And I chose Wedener because it seems to be a very good university. I haven't read any negative reviews about them, and I was happy, to enroll and be accepted. So this semester I look forward to working with all my classmates and my professor, and just interacting with everyone and learning from everyone, and in return having them learn from myself as well. I wish everyone the best, and I look forward to this online experience. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.